fam? It's your boy Tyler, man. I appreciate you guys for following the page. I got more content for y'all, man. I came to give y'all more content. It's interval workouts. I got a variation of them. So you can take whatever workouts you want to take out and you can implement them in your workout. I'm looking to get you guys fit. I'm looking to give you guys ideas to help you with the different type of workouts to come up with in the gym. So keep tuning in. Get you guys working, get you guys burning calories, get you guys fit. So tune into the channel, why not? Like and subscribe to the page, man. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date. And let's work. I'll meet you guys at the gym. We starting off with squats. So get your towel, get your water, hydrate yourself, get your mind ready, and let's go.